Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to discuss some additional questions of the chapter, the Browning version. So, let's begin. First question is, what do you learn about Taplow from the initial conversation between him and Mr. Frank? So, as children, you have seen in the play that the initial conversation takes place between the other teacher, Mr. Frank Hunter, and Taplow. So, what do you get about the child, Taplow? So, children, Taplow is a boy of 16. He is still in the lower 5th grade. He can't specialize until the next term if he gets his form division all right. So it means he was totally dependent on his teacher. And since his master, Mr. Crocker Harris, has not told him the result, he will have to wait till the next day to learn his destiny or his fate. Next question, why does Taplow say Mr. Crocker Harris cannot be a sadist? Children, I have already explained you in the explanation video of the chapter that sadist is a person who feels pleasure while hurting others. So, Frank Hunter remarks Mr. Crocker Harris as sadist. So, children, as I already explained you what is the meaning of sadist. So, Taplow says that Mr. Crocker Harris cannot be even a sadist because that would mean that he has some feelings, but he has not at all. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut. So, when Frank says that Mr. Crocker Harris is a sadist, so Taplow says no, he is not a sadist because he has no good feelings as well as bad feelings. So, we cannot say him a sadist. Otherwise, the sadist has bad feelings. What? That is to feel pleasure in giving pain. Next question, which course of study does Taplow prefer and why? So, Taplow prefers science on literature. He finds it a good deal more exciting than his play, which he considered quite unpleasant. So, I think in the chapter, children, Taplow disregards he is not pleased up with the reading of the Greek play Agamemnon. Next question, how does Taplow react to Mr. Frank's query? And you considered view is that the Agamemnon is muck. So, children, I have explained you what the meaning of muck. Muck is something which is waste. So, the Taplow modifies his stand. He says that he doesn't think the play is a muck. It has a good plot, in fact, a wife murdering her husband and all that. His opinion is based on the way it is taught to them. So, when it was said that Agamemnon is a muck, so Taplow remarks that it is not a muck, but he is not happy with the way it is taught to the students. How it is taught? Generally, a lot of Greek words, they are strung together and 50 lines in one gets them wrong. So, what the teacher does is he speaks out the Greek words and then he speaks some 50 lines, and then how come the student will get it? Thus, Taplow draws a fine distinction between the study of science and literature. For whom is Taplow waiting and why? And how does he feel? So, Taplow is waiting for his master, Mr. Crocker Harris, and he has come in to do extra work on the last day of term because he missed a day last week when he was ill. So, since the weather is quite fine, he feels quite unhappy to be confined in a room. He might as well be playing golf. How, according to Taplow, Mr. Crocker Harris is unlike other masters. So, other masters would certainly give a chap a form after taking his extra work. But Mr. Crocker Harris is unlike them. When Taplow asked him about the form, he told the boy that he had given him exactly what he deserved, no less and certainly no more. See, so even after taking work out of Taplow, Crocker Harris did not promise him to give good grades. He said that I have given you what you deserved, not less, not more. Means he was a very strict teacher. Taplow is afraid that he might have marked him down rather than up for taking extra work. Next question, children, what did Mr. Crocker Harris do after Taplow laughed out at the joke that he made to the class? So, Mr. Crocker Harris told Taplow that he was pleased at the advance that Taplow's Latin had made because it was only Taplow who understood that what the rest of the class could not. So, children, once Crocker Harris cracked a joke, as I have explained in the chapter, and only Taplow was the boy who laughed in the class. So Crocker Harris was a little bit pleased, or you can say happy, and to come to know that Taplow has learned a little bit Latin language. Why do you think Frank envies Mr. Crocker Harris? What possible reasons make him so unique? So Frank envies Mr. Crocker Harris for the effect he seems to have on the boys in the form. They all seem scared to death of him. He wants to know what he does, whether he beats them all or does something else which is awe-inspiring. Taplow informs Mr. Frank that Mr. Crocker is not a sadist. So Frank envies Crocker Harris because of the effect which Mr. Crocker Harris had on the students. They were all afraid of him, and he was not a sadist. Why was Taplow horrified to find Mrs. Crocker Harris standing by the door, screen and watching Taplow and Frank? So Taplow had all the way been talking to Frank about Mr. Crocker Harris. Therefore, he was horrified to find Mr. Crocker Harris's wife standing by the door, screen and watching the two, as he feared that she might had overheard what he had been saying. So Taplow was horrified because he thought that what imitation he was doing of Mr. Crocker Harris, she might have overheard. What leads Mr. Frank to comment, "I am sure you are exaggerating"? So Taplow says that Mr. Crocker Harris seems to hate people to like him. Yet in spite of everything, Taplow does rather like him. He can't help him. He thinks that sometimes Mr. Crocker Harris notices it and that seems to shrivel him up even more. This observation of Taplow seems far-fetched. So Mr. Frank remarked that he is exaggerating. Next question, how does Taplow refute the charge that he is exaggerating? So Taplow says that the other day Mr. Crocker Harris made one of his classical joke in the class. Nobody understood it and no one laughed. At last Taplow laughed because he knew the master had meant it as funny. He did so out of ordinary common politeness. Secondly, he felt a bit sorry for him for having made a poor joke. Mr. Crocker Harris did not praise Taplow for it. Next question, how did Mr. Crocker Harris react to Taplow's action of laughing at his joke? Children, he noticed that Taplow had laughed at his little joke, Mr. Crocker Harris. He confessed that he was pleased at the progress and Taplow had made in his Latin. It was clear from the fact that he had understood so readily that the rest of the form did not. Then he asked Taplow to explain the joke to the rest of the class. So children, Crocker Harris knew that nobody had understood the joke, even Taplow, but he laughed. So more cunningly, Mr. Crocker Harris says to Taplow that I am very happy that you have a knowledge of Latin. Now explain the joke to the class, which Taplow could not. So that's why the reason was. How do Taplow and Frank react to Millie's arrival? So Frank seems infinitely relieved to see Millie. On the other hand, Taplow is nervous. He is unable to control his emotions and whispers to Frank if he thinks she has heard their conversation. He is afraid that if she did so and tells her husband, he will lose his form. So Frank becomes happy on the arrival of Willie Crocker Harris, but Taplow was a little bit nervous because he thinks that if she has heard their conversation, then if she will tell her husband, then it would be very harmful for Taplow. Next, what does Millie tell Taplow about her husband? What assignment does she offer the young boy? She tells Taplow that her husband is at the Bursards and might be there quite a long time. If she were him, she would go. Taplow remarks that Mr. Crocker Harris had especially asked him to come. She then asks him to run to the chemist and bring medicine according to the prescription. Thus, he could do a job for him. She would take the blame if he came before Taplow returned. So, Millie Crocker Harris helped Taplow and she said that Taplow, you can go out and enjoy the time till Mr. Crocker Harris returns. And she says that don't worry, I will take the blame. You just have this prescription of medicines and if Mr. Crocker comes earlier than you, I'll tell him that you have gone to bring these medicines and then the problem will be solved. So that's all children about these questions. Next we will discuss in next video. Till then, thank you.